Now this thing can change, and it can change extremely quickly in as little as 1 or 2 big green weekly candles. And if we start to get acceleration to the downside in the stock market this week, then that's exactly what I'd expect to see, again, coupled with high yield credit starting to break out here. But at the moment, we just don't have that. So you can see it's quite a neutral posture, okay? And again, I like to stress this because I think a lot of YouTubers make good money, and I would actually speculate a lot more money from posting and mongering fear than they do from trading itself. But it is important for me to stress that this is not a super bearish post. This is not me saying it's the end of the world or the sky is falling. This is simply me saying we have quite a neutral setup here. The cycles and the bear trap in the Dow to me point lower. Bitcoin looks like it has been leading risk lower. And we have the potential here to see a bit of a spill perhaps into those April lows that we often print in the stock market. I always say look for April and October lows. Okay, really it sort of means September, October for that later weekly cycle low to form. And it's kind of like March, April typically that you see the first set of weekly cycle lows of the year. And if we were to do that, okay, it would just be normal and to be expected. So that's all I'm doing. I'm just pointing at it and saying, just be aware of that as a scenario, and especially be aware and a bit more cautious if these alarm signals start to blast off. But so far, it's important to acknowledge they haven't blasted off, okay? So therefore, there's absolutely no reason to panic or be stressed out or anything like that.